Hello everybody, Son of a Brick here with another video. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we're taking a look at LEGO Creator Set number 3112 Wild Lion Build Part 2, the Warthog. This is a pretty neat build. I actually enjoyed it. I actually kind of like it better than the Lion build. I had it posed there. So, let's just kind of get the legs all straightened out. So, yeah. And the head. So, all the legs are on ball joints. It has a double jointed tail. Its head is on a ball joint too. And its head is really nice. It has these little trans blue pieces for the eyes. Two nice little tusks. Which you can go like that. Which I can do. I like doing sometimes. And yeah. So that's really all I have to say. I think this is a pretty neat build. I have to say that I prefer some of the alternate builds I've done with this set better, but I do enjoy this build more than the Wild Lion. So, anyways, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye-bye.